Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro, friends. Today we are exploring the Infinix Hot 13 Pro, a budget smartphone that offers amazing value in 2026. Right from the first look, this phone impresses with its sleek design, ultra-thin bezels, and vibrant display. The screen is fully bright with clear app icons, smooth animations, and accurate color reproduction, making it perfect for watching videos, gaming, or browsing. Under the hood, the Infinix Hot 13 Pro packs powerful performance for multitasking and gaming, thanks to its fast processor and smooth XOS interface. Apps open quickly, and you can switch between tasks without lag. The camera system is impressive, capturing sharp, detailed photos in daylight and low-light conditions. Selfies and video calls are also crystal clear with the front punch-hole camera. Battery life is another strong point. The Infinix Hot 13 Pro easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and fast charging ensures you're ready to go quickly. For gamers, the performance is smooth, with minimal lag even in high-graphic games. Overall, this phone combines affordable pricing with premium features, making it one of the best budget mobiles of 2026. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and high-performing phone without breaking the bank, the Infinix Hot 13 Pro is your perfect choice. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more daily mobile unboxings, reviews, and tech insights. Stay updated with the latest trends in smartphones 2026 and make smart choices for your next phone.